Wemeli ke South Shillong, Badairu Menteri Sarkar Bah Sanbor Sulai, mentah kasengi belah play pajbay Greenery Children's Park, hamen sain lumpar lempering ke badai ke projek ya ke belamang bad yo anak atal mission for rejuvenation and urban transformation amrod scheme arja khendai arja rafau. Ya ke park lateh jinglur ke belakot arfun rulak, badai ke park anri ban sumar da ke lumparing welfare society. Habakran ke cingilang Bah Sanbor laong bagani ke cing angnur ke belas lembah juk kibik pa namar ba omdan cakap bai khun kiti kini ïalehkai henry ki hab bani ïalehkai ha surok.
Neither smile of your child.
Today we are very happy because this is the long aspiration of the people of Lumparing, especially Mensai, because it is true. When I was first elected MLA, I remember one of the suggestions, sort of a memorandum which has been given to me is there is no space for the children, for the students to play within this locality. It's true, we don't have space to play. Most of the children, they have to face sometimes dangerous incident where they have to play on the motorable road. So with the blessing of God and with the support of the Dorbar, the society and every one of you, I express my sincere thanks to the Forest Department and also the Ministry of Forest and Environment, Government of India, where the last approval for getting this land allotted for construction of children park, I have gone. I went personally to meet the secretary of the Department of Forest and Environment, Government of India, where we have got the final approval, and accordingly, the land was officially allotted to the Lumparing Welfare Society as the host who will take care with the rules and conditions how to run this children's park, to maintain it and to avoid people or anti-social elements to misuse this park, because as per the guideline, the capacity of park is the guideline. One of the guidelines is that those who can play are children below the age of 12. Below the age of 12. So I would like also to express my sincere thanks to the Forest Department, Iska Sales, who have given us the final lease agreement or the mutation or the official land documents, which I'm going to hand over to the President and Secretary of the Lumparing Welfare Society in presence of the Rangbashonong of this locality, to bring it to the information of all the residents of this area that we have got also a sanction of rupees 4.47 lakh for construction of Link Road, which will connect from near Nepali School via Titanic Building, Shadba Form, and it will connect the existing Pilu Road, where the people, you don't have to go round like this. From here, your car, your vehicle will reach the existing Dobigat Piludi Road. So for this also, I think jointly very soon we'll have the function for inauguration of foundation stone, where the local contractor, I'm not going to name it today, the local contractor will immediately start the construction of road, and I do hope that this road also within 12 months will be completed.